Tell me what's going on.
Well, it won't start. It's a dead battery. And the guy from AAA couldn't get how they have to go into what they call it, the computer thing and take that off. And he tried opening up the hood that way and it wouldn't open. But there aren't a lot of people who know about Porsches, so I didn't really have a lot of faith in him.
So how can I help?
Well, I thought you guys could recommend a mechanic that I could get this towed to.
Absolutely. I have some mobile mechanics, or I have a link that I can share with you. And what you do is you just enter your zip code, and it'll recommend repair shops in your area. Would you like me to send that information over in the chat for you? I'll go ahead and send it over.
Can you send it over in my email?
Well, the website will likely email you or send you a text message, and then you'll have to follow the instructions in the email to get back to the chat. All right, I'll go ahead and send it over as soon as we're off the phone. Do you have any other questions I can assist with while we're on the phone?
No, I think that's it. I appreciate the help.
All
Thank
right,
you.
you bet. You're welcome.